What does divisibility mean? It comes from the word divisible by, which means that if you divide a number by another, then the result is a whole number or no remainder at all. We have here the examples. All of the quotients like 5, 19, 1, and 25 have no remainder. All of them are whole numbers. But, do you know how to determine the divisibility of a number? Let us try to find out. Here are some rules to follow. So you have to familiarize this so that you can easily solve in seconds. I repeat, familiarize this so that you can easily solve in seconds. First one, if a number is divisible by 2, if the given number ends in even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6. We have here, all of them are even numbers. Let's try this given examples. Okay, according to the rule, the number should end with 8 and 4, 0, 2, 6 in order to be divisible by 2. But we have 9 here. It's not divisible by 2. Another is the numbers divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. When we look at the examples, we have 39, 12, the 726. All of them are divisible by 3. Let's try another examples. We have the given 1035, the 456, and 711. Let's say yes for letter A and B because both of them are divisible by 3, unlike the letter C, which is 17. Actually, it's not divisible by 3. When you add the 7 plus 1 plus 9 is 17. Another is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. And we have here the examples. Let's try another examples. Okay, we have yes for letter A, not divisible for letter B, and yes for letter C. Because number 15 is not divisible by 4. Only the A and B, because 4 and 8 are both divisible by 4. We have another. A number is divisible by 5 if the number ends in 0 and 5. When we look at the examples, let us always remember all of these numbers end with 0 and 5 and satisfies this divisibility rule by 5. Let's try another examples. Okay, for letter A, it's not divisible by 5 because it does not end with 0 and 5. Only the B and C. Both ended with 0 and 5. Both of them, of course, divisible by 5. And satisfies the rule. Another. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. When we look at the examples here, we have 162, the 96, and 504. Both ends with 2 because it's divisible by 2. And when you get the sum, still divisible by 3, and the rest are the same, having the same rule. Both are following the rule, satisfies the rule rather.